Every day, women across the globe are in danger of suffering violence and fear they won't go back home that day. Safe Pura Vida is an app that will help women feel safer and be safer, giving them a path to safety, equality, and Pura Vida. This is a project by Pablitos. The project will be based in Costa Rica, where Urban Analytica already has projects in action that use the power of data to improve urban life. In Costa Rica, the problem of gender violence is serious, and since the year 2000, the number of rapes has increased at a rate of 42 cases per year. And although this is the reality, many cases are not reported or not persecuted if reported. In 2014, for example, only 29.7% of crimes committed were reported, which means there's a significant lack of data to represent gender-based crimes. We reached out to multiple Costa Rican women, and one common problem was mentioned every time: lack of reporting of violence against women, either because the victims feel unsupported by the government and police force, because they feel unsafe doing so, or because they know nothing will be done. For the creation of the app, 4 different data sets were taken into account: crimes in Costa Rica, Costa Rica's Código Penal, street harassment, and Costa Rica's population from 2000 to 2011. When analyzing street harassment, we found that the data sadly supported the literature and statements made by the women interviewed. As one can see, all throughout Costa Rica, the number of sexual harassment crimes persecuted is very low and unproportionate to the number of cases that are reported. In San Isidro del General, there were 8 pursuits, but that remains an outlier as the others have either 0 or 1 pursuits. So how will the app work? It will consist of 3 parts: the safety index, tips and recommendations, and maps and reporting. The map page allows individuals to input the address of a certain location or district to see the general safety index for that region and report gender-based incidents they might have suffered. Next, the personalized safety index is calculated by filling out a quick survey, which includes the person's gender, race, the time of the day, and the location. So, for example, depending on the time of the day, a place may be rated more dangerous. The index compares the crime rate for a specific location to the average crime rate of San Jose, and also takes into account how many of those crimes are committed against women, so that they have a bigger weight on the index. As for the model that predicts future indexes, it is composed of a time series applied to each district. And finally, what do we want to accomplish with this app? We want to enhance women's safety, increase the reporting of gender-based crimes, and decrease gender-based violence. Thank you.